Join me as I try this morning hydration trick that claims I can wake up slimmer. Let's see if it actually works. When it comes to weight loss, we're always on the lookout for the latest tips and tricks to help us reach our goals. And today, I want to share a morning hydration hack that can help you wake up slimmer and set yourself up for success. Staying hydrated is crucial for our body's ability to function properly, and when we're not drinking enough water, our body starts to hold on to fat cells, making it even harder to lose weight. So how can we make sure we're drinking enough water and staying on track with our weight loss goals? The key is to make hydration a priority, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. When we wake up in the morning, our bodies are in a state of dehydration after a night of sleep. And if we're not careful, that dehydration can lead to a sluggish metabolism and weight gain. But what if I told you that there's a specific way to hydrate in the morning that can actually boost your metabolism and help you lose weight? Drinking water or specific beverages in the morning can have a profound impact on our body's ability to burn fat and lose weight. When we drink water, it helps to stimulate our digestive system, increase our energy levels, and even suppress our appetite. And when we drink certain beverages like green tea or lemon water, we can actually increase our metabolism and boost our weight loss efforts. The way it works is that when we drink water, it helps to stimulate our body's natural thermogenesis, which is the process by which our body generates heat and energy. This can lead to an increase in our resting metabolic rate, which means our body is burning more calories at rest. Plus, when we're hydrated, our body is better able to absorb the nutrients from the foods we eat, which can lead to even more weight loss. So, what's the specific morning hydration trick that can lead to noticeable results? It's actually really simple. All you need to do is drink a full glass of water with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice as soon as you wake up. The lemon juice helps to stimulate your digestive system and increase your metabolism, while the water helps to hydrate your body and kickstart your weight loss efforts. By incorporating this simple habit into your morning routine, you can start to see noticeable results in just a few weeks. You'll have more energy, your skin will look clearer, and you'll be losing weight in no time. So, to recap, morning hydration is key when it comes to weight loss. By drinking a full glass of water with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice as soon as you wake up, you can stimulate your metabolism, increase your energy levels, and even suppress your appetite. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite morning hydration habit? Let me know. And don't forget to check out my other videos on health and wellness for more tips and tricks to help you reach your goals.